What's up, legends? This is SATLO Arcade here, and today I'm gonna show you guys the monster PC I've built for top tier gaming, buttery editing, and smooth streaming. So let's dive into it. Let's kick things off with the heart of this mission. This CPU isn't just any CPU, this is pure raw power packed into silicon. Yes, I'm talking about the Ryzen 9 9900X. The Ryzen 9 9900X is built on AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture with 12 core and 24 threads. This CPU is fast, efficient and future ready with PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support. You can build a monster without solid foundation, and this board has the stability and performance that I need. This board comes ready for the next generation technology with PCIe 5.0, DDR5 memory and Wi-Fi 6E blazing fast connectivity. When speed meets stability, you get a memory that just doesn't support work, it accelerates it. I've got 32 GB of G.SKILL Ripjaws S5 DDR5 clocked at 6000 MHz. With CL36 latency, it is sleek and delivers pure speed. It's perfect for 4K editing, running multiple apps, as well as crushing it in games. As of now, for the storage, I would be in the future upgrading it. But as of now, what I have is I'm running two Gen 4 NVMe SSDs, the XPG Gammix S70 blade for ultra fast OS and game boot times, and the ADATA S60 for secondary storage. Together combined, I have 2 TB as of now, but I would be upgrading in the future. So, this is where the magic happens. The beast that brings each frame to life. Yes, I have the MSI RTX 5060 Ti gaming trio, packed with 16 GB of cutting edge DDR7 VRAM, whether it's ray tracing AAA games, high FPS shooters, or GPU accelerated editings. This card handles it effortlessly with support of DLSS 3, frame generation, and insane thermal performance. Cooling. Yeah, I've got the MSI MAG Coreliquid A13 360mm AIO. It delivers silent, efficient cooling and maintain a peak CPU temperature during long gaming or rendering sessions. So I had a few discussions to, whether go for a powerful one or just simply put up a power supply that is just needed. But you know me, I went for the powerful one. I'm talking about the DeepCool 1200 watt 80 plus gold rated. It's fully modular, ATX 3.1 ready and built for high-end GPUs and next generation power demands. Well, if you're asking me, do I actually need 1200 watts? No, but I'm just future-proofing it. Looks aren't everything, but when performance meets design, what? You nailed it. You know what? I'm done. I know you guys are eagerly waiting for the final output and how it looks. And for the case, why don't you guys figure it out yourself? Well, that's my full build, folks. Whether I'm grinding gameplays, 4K editing, this motherfucker got my back. And that would be the end of this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content creations and gameplays and live streams. Till then, this is SATLO Arcade signing off.